Yo, it's Jabal in the video. There are 3 exercises you can use to build bigger shoulders. One of them, they are the front raise, the reverse fly, and the lateral raise. In this video, I want to show you how to do the lateral raise to get wider shoulders to help you get the V-taper. Let's get into the video. For this exercise, you're going to need a set of dumbbells. You don't really need heavy dumbbells, as you can see. I only have 10-pound dumbbells. Using light dumbbells will make this effective. Trust me, you'll notice when you go up to doing the lateral raise, you'll feel it a lot by like your 10th set, the 10th rep. So, instead of just doing it straight up, I recommend you do it with a slight bend, having your dumbbells face like this instead of right on the side. And then you're just going to go up, and then continue for reps. This exercise will target the lateral head, which is right here, and which is required and which needs to be built if you want to get the V-taper. Thank you for watching this video. If you want more fitness content just like this, start now by subscribing and clicking the notification bell so you don't miss any future content. If you want to learn how to do the reverse fly to build your rear delts, this video right here is for you. Peace.